Hey there, happiness seekers. Welcome to Elevate Daily, where we share advice to help you live a brighter, more fulfilling life. Today, we're diving into one of the most underrated happiness boosters out there, quality sleep. Yes, your pillow might just be the best therapist you've never paid for. We're going to explore the happiness sleep formula, a set of practical, science-backed habits that will help you drift off faster, sleep deeper, and wake up feeling like you can actually take on the day. And if you want more uplifting, life-enhancing tips like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. That way, you'll never miss a moment of inspiration. All right, let's get cozy and dive in. Section 1. Why sleep is the happiness multiplier. We often think of sleep as just resting time, but here's the truth. Your brain is hard at work while you're snoozing. Deep sleep helps regulate your mood, process emotions, and keep your stress levels in check. According to research from the University of California, Berkeley, even one night of poor sleep can increase your emotional reactivity, meaning little annoyances feel way bigger. But after a solid night's rest, you're calmer, more patient, and more likely to find joy in everyday moments. So, when we talk about happiness, sleep isn't just a side dish. It's a main ingredient. Section 2. Step 1. Set your golden sleep window. Your body loves routine. Going to bed and waking up at roughly the same time every day trains your internal clock, known as your circadian rhythm, to get sleepy at the right time and wake you up feeling refreshed. Here's a pro tip. Figure out when you need to wake up, then count backwards 7 to 9 hours. That's your golden sleep window. Example, if you need to wake up at 6:30 a.m., aim to be in bed by 10:30 p.m., not scrolling TikTok, not just checking one more email, actually in bed, lights out. Over time, your body will start to power down naturally, and that struggle to fall asleep will become a thing of the past. Section 3, Step 2. The hour before bed is sacred. Think of the last hour of your day as a runway for sleep. You can't just crash land from high activity into deep rest. You need a gentle descent. Here's a formula I love. First 20 minutes, wrap up any last-minute tasks. Next 20 minutes, personal care, shower, skincare, brushing your teeth. Final 20 minutes, a calming activity. Read a physical book, listen to soft music, stretch, or journal. Avoid anything that spikes your brain activity, social media, heated debates, or work emails. Your goal is to tell your body, it's safe to relax now. Step 3. Create a sleep sanctuary. Your bedroom should be the most peaceful place in your home. That means keep it cool. Around 18 degrees Celsius, 65 degrees Fahrenheit is optimal for most people. Keep it dark. Blackout curtains or an eye mask can work wonders. Keep it quiet, or use white noise if total silence feels strange. Invest in a quality pillow and mattress. If you wouldn't spend 8 hours sitting on a chair that hurts your back, why spend it lying on a bed that does the same? Also, try to associate your bed with sleep and intimacy only. No working, no binge watching. That way, your brain links bed with rest, making it easier to wind down. Step 4. Master the light game. Light is one of the strongest signals for your circadian rhythm. In the morning, open your curtains or step outside for 10 minutes of natural sunlight. This helps wake you up and reinforces your sleep-wake cycle. At night, dim the lights about an hour before bed. If you're on screens, use night mode or blue light blocking glasses. Blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime, which can delay the release of melatonin, your sleep hormone. Step 5. Mind your mind. Sometimes the problem isn't your body, it's your thoughts. Racing minds are one of the biggest culprits for poor sleep. One trick, the brain dump. Before bed, write down everything on your mind, tasks, worries, random thoughts. This clears mental clutter and tells your brain, don't worry, it's on paper, you can deal with it tomorrow. You can also try the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale for 8. It slows your heart rate and triggers a relaxation response. Step 6. Your evening diet. Matters: heavy meals, caffeine and alcohol can all mess with your sleep quality. Aim to finish eating at least 2 to 3 hours before bed. If you're hungry later, go for a light snack, something like a banana or a handful of nuts. And yes, caffeine isn't just in coffee. It's in tea, chocolate and some sodas. Try cutting it off by early afternoon to give your body time to clear it. Section 8. The Sleep Happiness Feedback Loop. Here's the best part. Once you start sleeping better, you'll naturally feel happier, more motivated and more focused. And when you feel good, you make better lifestyle choices, which leads to even better sleep. It's a self-reinforcing cycle. That's why I call it the happiness sleep formula, because the benefits keep compounding over time. Section 9. Try this tonight. Here's your challenge. Starting tonight, choose just one of these steps and put it into practice. Maybe you set your golden sleep window. Maybe you protect your last hour before bed. Maybe you finally banish your phone from the bedroom. Stick to it for a week. Notice how you feel. You might be surprised by how quickly your mood and energy improve. So, happiness seekers, remember, sleep isn't just downtime. It's one of the most powerful tools for living a joyful, energized life. If you enjoyed today's episode and want more science-backed, feel-good tips, hit that like button, subscribe to Elevate Daily, and join our growing community of people who want to live brighter, fuller lives. Until next time, sleep well and wake up happy.